I keep procrastinating on making the videos. That's what Ingrid said to me. She's an entrepreneur and she knows videos work great for marketing, and yet she doesn't make them. I think you probably recognize that too. So in this video, I will tell you what to do if you keep getting stuck with making videos for your marketing. Imagine this, you have this idea for a marketing video. You already know what to say. You're really enthusiastic, but still you're not doing it. And you think you have good reason, like you don't have a good place to record a video or you have no time. Even if you feel you have a good, solid reason for not recording your videos, there is a solution, and I'm giving it to you right now. I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone can give you a stage right in front of the people that you want to meet the most. So subscribe to this channel, because I will help you get visible and easily found by your future clients. Yes, I'm sure you have a solid, practical reason to postpone recording your videos once again. But that is only one side of the story, because practical problems always arise when really the bar, the quality bar for your video, is set too high, and that is the real problem. Like you want to record your video in front of an inspiring background and you don't have any available. Or you think you need 3 hours to record your video and you only have 30 minutes. And maybe if you're in the village and it's really windy and there's people passing by all the time and you're embarrassed, like me right now. So then, yes, a full schedule, a boring office background or a bad hair day may sound like good practical reasons to postpone recording your videos. But actually you have to do something else. You have to lower the bar and not go for a 10 out of 10 for your videos, but for a 6 or maybe a 7 out of 10. Lowering the bar can help you make the video anyway. Our perfectionism always rears its ugly head when it comes to making videos. That's because of fear of rejection. We all know it, but you have to know this. A video is never ever perfect. And the real power of a video is its imperfection, because that makes you accessible. And that means that a video that you would give a 6 or a 7 out of 10 resonates a lot better with your future clients than a video that you would think might be close to perfect. And you should know that a perfect video doesn't exist and has never been made. Better a video in front of a boring white wall than no video at all. And better a video that's filmed in 30 minutes than a video that you took 3 hours to film. And better a video filmed in a windy, rainy village than no video at all, like in my case. Can you see yourself going for a 6 or a 7 out of 10 for your next video? Or do you want to keep thinking that you should aim for perfection if you do your marketing? Let me know in the comments with this video. And if you want to know how to repair the biggest mistakes that you made in your video recording, watch this video.